Hello, this is Module 6 of the course Carpentry, and we'll be discussing on door and window frame construction. Door and window frame construction. And door and window frame construction is a vital aspect of building carpentry that combines precision, design knowledge, and also practical skill to enhance functionality, security, and also aesthetic appeal in structure. And by the end of this module, you will be equipped with the ability to construct and install um, durable functioning and visually appealing door and window frame in residential and commercial building. Let's look at the type of door used in building. The types of door used in building. Door provides security, privacy, and aesthetic appeal while facilitating access and ventilation. The common types include the panel door, and it's actually a rectangular or square panel fitted into a frame, and they are strong, versatile, visually appealing, and widely used in residential um, interiors. We have the flush door. We have the flush door, and for this is actually smooth, flat door that are made from plywood, MDF, or laminated wood, and they feature a minimal modern look and are economical, lightweight, and easy to install. The next is sliding door. The sliding door. And when we talk about the sliding door, these are doors are slide horizontally on track, and they are um, space saving and ideal for uh, partial closet and also commercial spaces. And we have the folding door. We have the folding door, and for this, it's also known as the bifold or accordion door. These fold in sections to open, and they save space and offer flexible design for closets and also for room divider. The next is the louvered the louvered door, and it features horizontal slant that allows ventilation while maintaining privacy, and they are ideal for bathroom, um, utility room, and also closets, promoting airflow and reducing moisture buildup. We have the panel and glass door also, which talking about wooden or metal frame with glass insert. They allow natural light, add elegance, and also are used for entrance door patios and office interiors. And we also have the revolving door, and it's mounted on a central pivot that rotates, and they are energy saving, manage high traffic flow, and also are used in commercial building and hotels. We also have the security door, which is a reinforced door with solid wood, metal, or steel core, and they provide protection against forced entry and are used for entrance and high security area. Let's look at types of window frames in buildings. And window frames support window pane and contributing to functionality and aesthetics. And these include the timber window frame, and this is made from wood, often treated against decay and insects, and they offer aesthetic appeal, excellent insulation, and also easy commerce customization. It's used in residential and traditional building. We have the aluminum window frame, which is lightweight and metal frame, resistant to corrosion, and they are durable, low maintenance, and with a slim profile. And it's used in modern residential and commercial buildings. We have the PVC window frame. This is made from unplasticized polyvinyl chloride, and they are known for their low maintenance, weather resistance, energy efficiency, and affordability. And it's suitable for humid and coastal areas. We also have the steel window frame, and this is a strong, sturdy frame with high strength and fire resistance, and is suitable for large window. It's also used in industrial high rise and high security building. We have the casement window, and this is hinged at the side and open outward like a door, and they provide full ventilation and are easy to clean and offer tight sealing. We have the sliding window um, frame, and window chassis slide horizontally along a track. They save space and are easy to operate and are commonly used in apartments and offices. They have the awning um, windows, and it's hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. They allow ventilation during rain, um, provide security, and also maintain um, privacy. We have the fixed window frame, and this is non-operable window designed for light and views, and they are energy saving, they are known for low maintenance and also structurally strong. We have the bay and bow window, and for this we talk about project outward from the building, or it projects outward from the building wall, and they increase interior space, improve natural lighting, and also add aesthetic appeal to it. And measuring and marking door components. Accurate measuring and marking ensure components fit precisely and function properly. And importance include it ensures proper alignment and fit, prevents material wastage, enhance structural strength and also stability. And lastly, it supports accurate joinery and smooth installation. Tools required include tape measure, pencil, tri-circle, and tri-square or combination square, marking gauge, and spirit level. Measuring and marking of door components. For the measuring process includes you determine door size from the opening, you allow clearance of 2 to 3 uh, on all slides, and you also measure individual um, components like the styles, the rail, the panel, and then you check the symmetry, and lastly, you mark reference line using a tri-square. Marking tips include mark lightly but clearly, label components to avoid confusion, and lastly, you double check measurement before cutting. Step-by-step process of making wooden door. Um, the materials needed are the hardwood or softwood board, the plywood, which is optional, the wood glue, nail, screw, dowel, and sandpaper. These are the things materials needed, and you need the tape measure, the saw, the chisel, hammer or screwdriver, tri-square, marking gauge, and clamps as a tool which are required for making this. The first step in doing this is design and planning, where you decide door types such as a panel, flush, or combination, and you prepare detail drawing with dimension for um, styles, rail, and also panel. Determine hinge close, lock, and also handle placement. The next is measuring and marking. Measuring and marking, where you measure door opening and mark allowances. The next is to cut components. You cut the style and the rails to size, and cut panel to fit the door frame, and ensure that it's straight and smooth cut. The next is preparing the joints, the different joints, that the use of mortars and tenor joint for strong connection. This is very important. And then after that, you assemble the door, you apply wood glue to the joints, then you do the sanding, which is you smoothing all surfaces with medium and fine sandpaper, and then you install the hardware, that is mark and cut spaces for hinges, locks and handles, and also ensure proper alignment for smooth operation. And the last one is finishing, where you apply paint, varnish, or polish. And the last step is to check fits. That is, you test the door in the opening to ensure proper clearance. Make minor adjustments if necessary. For the window frame, the materials and the tools are also important, and the step in doing that include design and planning. Then you do the measuring and marking, and you measure window opening, and allow for like 2 to 3 mm clearance, and also you cut the components. And after cutting the component, you prepare the joint, just like the table also, I mean the door also. Then you assemble the frame through application of glues, fitting components together and ensuring corner square clamp until set and reinforce if necessary. Then the sanding comes up, where they smooth the surfaces, and then the installation of hardware comes in, marking hinge, lock, and also handle positions. And the last one is finishing, where you apply paint, varnish, and polish. Installation of door and frames. Proper installation ensures functionality, security, and durability. And it is important to look at if this these stages. The first one is pre-installation preparation, where you need to measure the opening to confirm compatibility, ensure floor and wall are level, and then you check that all hardware and fasteners are available. The second is positioning, and that means that is talking about placing the door and window frame in the opening. Use a spirit level to ensure vertical and horizontal alignment, and temporarily secure with wedges or shims. And then you secure, and the securing frame is another one, where you drill pilot hole through the frame into the wall structure. You fix the screw, nail, and also anchor, and add support brackets for tall and heavy units. The next is installing hardware, where you attach hinges, handles, lock, and other accessories. And the last one is final adjustment, where you remove wedges or shims after securing, ensuring the unit is level, plumb, and also stable. Wood treatment. Wood treatment. When we talk about wood treatment, it actually enhances lifespan, strength, and also resistance of timber used in door and window. An untreated wood is prone to rot, insect damage, and also weathering. And common treatments include chemical preservation, varnishing, um, on lacquer, oil treatment, and pressure treatment. When we talk about chemical preservation, the use of copper-based preservation, borates, insecticides, and also the application by brushing. Um, you apply by brushing, spraying, and soaking. You have the varnish on lacquer, and this for this it creates protective surface layer, and water resistance, and also enhance uh, aesthetics. And for oil treatment, the linseed or dog oil penetrates wood, and with this it improves the durability and preserve the natural grain. And lastly is the pressure treatment, and this is the industrial method, and wood in pressure chamber, it's wood in pressure chamber with preservation and deep penetration, and long-term protection comes up for this from this kind of treatment. In conclusion, door and window frame construction provides learners with comprehensive knowledge and practical skill necessary to create, install, and maintain functional and durable door and window in building. And this is gotten from this model. And the mastery of this skill ensures that door and window serves their functional purpose of security, ventilation, and also accessibility, while contributing significantly to the aesthetic appeal and structural integrity of building. Thank you.